ma'am will show you a school, okay? Our school, okay? We'll start from the garden. See? Do you want to see our school? See, these are the plants we are having in our school. We'll start from here, okay? Yes, children. Please watch the video carefully. Yes, see? These are the plants we have in our school. Very nice, right? See? It is a white color flower. Yes, very good. Please watch the video. Yes. Come to me. I will show you the school. Hope you are all watching the video, right? Yes. Yes, children. This is the entrance part of our school. Okay. See the school name. See, this is the entrance part of our school. Okay. Yes. See, children, this is our school name. Are you able to see? Are you able to see the name? What is our school name? What is our school name? See, Early Foundation International School. Okay, this is our school name. In your book, the first question is, there is my school. Let us walk around and see. I will walk and show you the school. You have to write your school name here. What is your school name? Early Foundation International School. Okay, come inside. See, this is the entrance gate of our school. Are you watching, children? We'll go inside. Please come with me. All of you come with me. Now we came to our school, okay? This is our school campus. This is our school campus, okay? Then I have showed you, right, how we have to enter our school. Now I will show you a classroom, okay? Come, we'll go to our classroom. Please come with me. Yes, children, this is the entrance of our classroom. All of you come to me. Yes. Shall I open the classroom door? Are you waiting to see your classroom? Are you waiting, children? Yes. Please come. See, this is your classroom. Yes, this is your classroom. In this classroom, we are having table. Look at the board. See your benches, your activity board. Okay, these are the things are there in your classroom. Okay, this is your classroom. Next, ma'am will show you the principal's room. Okay, in our school, I will show you the principal's room. Come to me. See, children, this is the principal room, okay? This is the office room. Have you noticed this name? This is the office room. Yes, this is our school office, okay? This is our school office. See, we have system on the office. We have a colorful plant, isn't it? Yes, children. Also, we are having the great leaders of India. See, these are the leaders, great leaders of India. We are having these photo frames in our office, okay? Come, next. Yes, this is the principal room, okay? This is our principal room. Yes, children, we have watched our office, right? I have shown the great leaders of India also, right? Next, we will see our principal's room, okay? This is our principal's room in our school, okay? Shall we go? Shall we go to principal's ma'am room? Before going, what we need to ask? We need to ask the permission, right? So, we have to tap on the door. Excuse me, ma'am. See, this is our principal's room, okay? She is our principal ma'am. Everybody wish to your ma'am. Say good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am. Yes. Next, we'll move to staff room, okay? Yes, children, come with me. Yes, children. Next, we'll see our staff room. Okay. Who are all there in our staff room? Our teachers will be there in the staff room, right? Yes. Come with me. I will show you our staff room. Okay. Yes, children. Are you able to see the label of the staff room? See, STAFF. Staff room. ROOM. This is our staff room. Yes, children, come with me. I will show our staff rooms. Who will be there in our staff room? Have you guessed who will be there in our staff room? See, our teachers are staying in the staff room. Yes, children, this is the staff room of our school. Okay? See, ma'ams are sitting. They are doing some work, right? Yes. Next, we'll go to second part of our school. Okay? This is a very interesting part in our school. Okay? I think you have guessed, right? Your favorite place in this school. Yes. Have you guessed which place it is? Yes. Playground. Very good. I will show you our playground now. Come with me. Yes, children. Now we'll go to our playground. Okay? This is the way to the playground. Come with me. These are the classrooms we are having in our school. Okay, this is the way to the playground. Please come with me. Without you people, the school is very silent, right? Because of COVID, we are all staying at home, isn't it? Otherwise, the school will be full of the student noise, right? Yes, come with me. I will show you our playground. See, children, this is our school ground. Okay. Our school ground, the playground. Okay, in the playground we have slide. This is the playing area. This is for you people only. See, if you come to school, where you will play? Where you will play, children? We will play, we will sit in the slide, we will play, right? This is for specially for the kids only, not for the teachers, okay? This is your favorite part of the school, right? The school ground. We have two more ground also. Come to me, I will show you. The ground is very large, right? See? These are the plays we are having for playing. This is our play area. Okay, this is the playground for the school. Here also we are having classroom. See, left side also we are having the classes. These are the classroom. These are the playing area. And are you able to see? Those are washrooms. Okay, which is restrooms in our school for the kids. Okay, children, have you enjoyed? This is the view of our school. We have seen about our school and the school name, then classroom, then principal's ma'am room, then staff room, also playground. Okay, I will explain briefly about the school. Okay, yes, we'll move to the classroom. Please come with me. Yes, children, now I came to our classroom. Okay, yes, children, today we are visited our school. We have visited our principal's room. We have visited our staff room. Then we have visited our classroom. Also we have visited our playground, right? Yes, children. Now we will discuss about our school. Okay? Yes, children. What are the features are there in the school? The building, school building is there. The plants will be there. The classrooms will be there. Also school van will be there. Now there is no school van standing out of the gate. Why? Because you are all not coming for the school. Why? Because of this coronavirus, right? Yes, children, we will pray to God. Okay? As soon as we will come to school, we will enjoy our classes in the school. We will play in the playground. Okay? Yes, children. Tell me now, which is the favorite part in your school? For you, which is the favorite part in your school? For me, staff room is the favorite place. For you, which is the favorite part in your school? Like classroom, or principal's room, or staff room, or playground. Which one you like most? school. Please take your book. Please take your EVS book in page number 14. Places in my school. This is my school. Let us walk around and see the name of my school. Which is your school? What is the name of your school? Early Foundation International School. Take your pencil, write your school name. EARLY. Early Foundation. FOUNDATION. Early Foundation. INTERNATIONAL. International School. Okay, this is your school name. Early Foundation International School. Okay, you have to write your school name. My school is Early Foundation International School. Okay, yes children. Next, I will give you the homework. Okay, in page number 14, you have to mention the today's date and the day. This is your today's classwork. Okay, this is your today's classwork. In next page, page number 15 is your today's homework. Okay, mark your favorite place in the school. Tick your favorite place in the school. Which area it is? I have shown the slide, right? Where it is? Where I have shown the slide? It is in the playground, right? So see, the children are playing in the playground. They are playing in the seesaw also. Where these all the things will be? This all will be in the playground. So it is playground. Next, this is, who is he? We have seen the ma'am, right? Which place that is? Principal's room, right? Principal's room. Then she is the teacher. All the students are sitting in the classroom. What she is doing? She is teaching. Then which place it is? Which place it is? Where I am standing. This is the classroom. Okay. If you are here, you will be sitting in the benches. I will stand in front of you. I will take the class for you, right? So this is called as classroom. This place is classroom. Next, which place it is? All the staffs, the teachers are sitting in the room, right? I had showed you which place that is, which room it is. It is the staff room of the school, right? It is the staff room. All the staffs in free times they will sit, they will eat, they will talk, they will do some works. That place is called as a staff room.